morning everybody. The time is 4:17 in the morning. It's quite early in the morning and I'm not used to waking up this early. I woke up at 3 o'clock. Right now I'm heading towards Silkboard from Whitefield. I'm gonna be meeting up with Manoj over there and then we're just going on a short ride. But it's quite interesting place that we're going to. I need to fuel up pretty soon because it's already reserved. It's technically not the morning vibe. Obviously, it's really dark. So, yeah. But the reason for riding so early in the morning is because we need to catch the sunset. That's why we're going pretty early. Mallappa Konda is quite far away, about 130 kilometers, 120, something like that. Just look at that. Just look at that. God have mercy. What the fuck? That mountain over there. It's like an artificial background. Just, yeah, right over there. Hey, things like this kind of hype me up. I think the most beautiful sunset that I've seen of this road was when I was on my way to Munnar, and that's actually recorded, so I was pretty lucky that day. That sunrise was freaking mad. Gotta love this, man. So cool. Oh my days, this is lovely. I think at this moment, this exact moment, it's just worth it for waking up at 3 o'clock. Bloody gorgeous this thing is. God. We just exit from the highway. We're on this small countryside road, I suppose. 34 kilometers to go. Now I know why it's showing a lot of time, because 34 kilometers through these roads will take us quite some time. Makes sense. Gotta be really slow through these roads, because like I always say, when you pass through a small village, make sure you're calm and composed, and make sure to not piss these people off, otherwise they're gonna come for you. Chickens, gotta look out for them because I almost killed a fucking chicken once. ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಹೋಗುವ. Alright, there we go. People say this is better than Nandi Hills. I didn't know about that. So this was a reserved forest, or this was something under the government, and since this was grabbing a lot of people's attraction, this thing basically turned into a tourist place. Oh my god, this thing is beautiful, man. So green and everything. And it's very chill up in here. ಏನೋ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇದು? ನೋಡು, ತುಂಬ ಚಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲ?
ಅಣ್ಣ ಆರಾಮ? ಮಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೋರುಂಟಾ? ಹೌದಾ?
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೋ.
ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ
ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತೀಯ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು. ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಬಾ. Alright, finally up in here. Shiva, I really worship Shiva. ಓಕೆ ಬಾ.
ಜಾರುತ್ತೋ
ಗೊತ್ತು.
Hello guys, welcome to my guys. Hello channel, welcome to my guys.
ಮಚ್ಚ ಇದೇ ಮಚ್ಚ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ರೂಟು.
ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಬೇರೆ ಥರ ಬಂದ್ವಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ, ನಾವು ಈ ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಯಾವುದೋ ಕಾರ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ ಹತ್ಕೊಂಡು
ನನಗೇನೋ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಬಿಚ್ಚೋಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಂತ ಡೌಟು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನೋ ಲೂಸ್ ಥರ ಇದೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್. ಓ ಬ್ರೋ, ಇದೇ ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ದಾರಿ. ನೋಡುವ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಥರ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇದು.
ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋದ್ವಿ
ನಾವು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ.
ನಾವು
almost made it without any problem. Don't worry guys, we are fine. You're absolutely fine, alva bro?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Just want to ask you guys to please drop a like if possible if you like the video. Yeah, that's all. You guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.